We have a yellow square, and we draw from a point at the bottom side two lines perpendicular to each other. The length of the first line is 4. The length of the second line is 3. What is the length of the third line? Red one. Solution. Consider pink triangle and small green triangle. The red angles are equal because they have mutually perpendicular sides. So, if we denote the vertical side of the pink triangle as 4x, then the horizontal side of the small yellow triangle is 3x. It means that the horizontal side of the pink triangle is 4x minus 3x, or just x. And we know hypotenuse of the pink triangle 4. And we know the legs 4x and x. It means that by Pythagorean theorem, 17x squared is equal to 16. Let's remember that. Now look at the big green triangle. It has vertical leg 4x and horizontal leg 3x. So the length of the hypotenuse, which we are looking for, squared, is equal to 9x squared plus 16x squared, or 25 squared. X squared, 25x squared. But x squared is 16 over 17. So L squared is 400 over 17, and L is equal to 20 over square root of 17. And this is the answer.